Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Pirate Sailfish and fish it game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Pirate Sailfish looks like, and this is a mythic fish. And you can catch this fish on the Pirate Cove Island. Okay, and this is the chance to get this fish. You can catch it 1 in 60k. And I'm going to show you guys the best spot to catch this fish. Okay, this is the spot you can fish here, and I would like to recommend you to use the Aries rod or the minimum rod, or you can use the ghost fin rod or the element rod. But if you haven't had the ghost fin or the element rod, you can use this Aries rod that you can buy from the Tropical Grove Island. Okay, and for the bait, for the bait, I'm using the corrupt bait, or you can also use this dark matter bait. Okay, you can choose one of them, or if you have better bait, you can use it, of course. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the Pirate Sailfish and Fish 8 game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!